Hi, my name is Ifama Frazier. I'm a third year and I'm a studio art major with a concentration in ceramics. Today I'm going to be showing how to use the sum product function in Excel, so let's get right to it. The first thing I'm going to do is build our math equation to find our regular pay. And to do this, we are going to start with an equal sign, which tells the computer that we want it to do the work for us. Select cell C2 and times it by E2 and then press enter. This right here is going to tell us the regular pay for week 1. Then we're going to do a bulk select copy to select it all the way down to row 25. And this basically is copying down the equation so we don't have to copy it down again. Next, we are going to calculate our O2 pay by using the same formula. Select cell D2 times F2 into cell I2. Notice the dancing line around F2. This is to tell us that the cell is selected. We're going to bulk copy again all the way down to row 25. We are now going to sort the table of data. To do this, go to the Home ribbon page. Next, go to Editing, then Sort and Filter, then Custom Sort. Here, we're going to change the column to week and keep the order at smallest to largest. Then we're going to add a sort table for our O2 hours and change the order to largest to smallest. And hit OK. For this next part, we're going to be using our sum product function to calculate our week 1 regular pay. To do this, we're going to start in cell J2 and type equal sign sum product, and once there's an open paren, we are going to type open paren B2 colon B25 equals 1 close paren times open paren C2 colon C25 close paren times open paren E2 equals E25 close paren. We are going to bulk copy this down and move on to our O2 payroll for week 1. So using the same formula, we are going to type in equal sign sum product open paren B2 colon B25, but here we're going to use the columns for O2 pay, which is D and F. And make sure you are still seeing the dancing lines around the selected cell. We're going to bulk copy this down. Now we're going to change the week numbers to make sure it's going through week 8 and ending at row 25. And we're going to do this for our regular pay and O2 pay. And at the end, these should be your numbers. For our last couple steps, we are going to make a filter for column J. To do this, go to your Home ribbon and select Editing, then click on Filter. After this, omit the blanks, which should leave us with 8 rows. Next, we are going to build a stack column chart. To do this, go to the Insert ribbon, but first select the section that you want the chart to be. In this case, it's going to be all of J and K. After this, besides the recommended charts, select the first chart option. And finally, click on Stack Column. Lastly, we're going to rename our chart to Payroll by Week. And there we go, sum product function using Excel. Now that that's over, let's have an excellent day, shall we?